Why should we invest? We need to make smart investments for our lives. In the world we live in, financial security is not just about earning a salary, it's also about making the right investments. Have you ever wondered why investing is important? I wanted to make a short but effective video, so I have listed 5 key reasons why investing can change your life. If you are ready, let's continue. How to protect against inflation. If you keep your money in a bank account, it may lose value over time, or you will not make a profit. But by investing in real estate, the stock market, cryptocurrencies, or funds such as gold, you will ensure the safety of your money and witness its growth. Of course, the most important step here is to research correctly. Securing your future. Another reason to invest is to secure your future. If you want to live a comfortable life and enjoy retirement when you retire, it is important to invest. By starting to invest at an early age, your investments will benefit from interest and grow significantly over time, creating your financial security for the future. Achieving financial freedom. Another main reason is to achieve financial freedom. If you take the right steps when investing, you will have the opportunity to live a good life without working, even before a long time passes. When our income depends only on salaries, we always have to work. But when we achieve financial freedom, we live a free life. Finding higher earning opportunities. The 4th key point is to find higher earning opportunities. Investing your money in valuable funds or in your own business, instead of letting it sit idle in a bank account, can help your savings grow substantially. Taking control of our future. We need to take control of our future. Being financially ready makes us feel secure against the negativity of life, so you can spend more time on your own business or your dreams. Investing gives you the freedom you need to take control of your future and even your children's future. The biggest secret. Creating a snowball effect. Don't put off investing just because the amount is small. Today's small investments are the foundation of tomorrow's financial freedom. Before I end the video, I ask you to please invest for your future, starting today.